Hi, my name is Ben Novak. I'm a composition and music education double major here at Towson University. My main instrument is clarinet and bass clarinet. However, in marching band, I play baritone. I have marched 3 years of drum corps, Jersey Surf in 2017, Blue Stars in 2018, and will march Blue Stars again in 2022. This will be my second year in the Towson University Marching Band. Our presence is the foundation of what makes us uniform. If we don't solidify the basis in which we set ourselves forth, then we fail to show confidence and purpose. Sure, sometimes we get a little chuckle from time to time since marching band can be goofy, but the thing that makes it cool is when we look good and we look together. Stand with your feet apart, about shoulder width, accept your body weight with every square millimeter of your foot, and balance the weight equally with both feet. Have a slight bend in your knees. If you bend too much, you sacrifice some of your height. If you lock your knees, you risk serious damage to your joints as well as a possibility of passing out. Lift up with your chest, project your energy forward and upward. Tuck the hips in, but not too much in either direction. You should think about standing tall, ready to move in any direction. Lower your shoulders. Avoid harboring any tension in them. It doesn't assist you in any way if you're constantly shrugging them upwards or shoving them in front of you. Everything below your shoulder should be unengaged for now. Let your head sit comfortably on your spine. Don't jut it forward like a turkey. Don't tuck it behind you in disgust. Tilt your chin upwards just a little bit so you can continue to project upwards. Now that you've built this excellent posture of yours, let's make it a bit more marching friendly. Slide your left foot into your right with your heels touching together and your toes pointed out to create a 90-degree angle with your feet. You should roughly be able to fit a fist between the arches of your feet. If you were to bring your right hand in front of your waist and tuck your left hand over it, like so, then you'd be standing in what we call standby position. This is the way you'd be standing while you're waiting for instructions. For now, we will stand with our hands at our sides and our fingers closed, not grasped, like a fist, but with closed fingers, and with our elbows ever so slightly bent. This is what we call our attention position. I want you to be asking yourself these 4 questions from this point onward. Do I look good? Do I feel good? Do I look relaxed? And am I using only the necessary tension I need to get the job done? Necessary tension. Resonate with that for a second. Nothing more, nothing less. You will have to engage, but you will not have to overcompensate. Find the edge and go for it, not past it.